Hello! So today I'm going to make a video for my future self. I'm gonna ask my future self some questions because I don't know, I just wanna see what's going on with me in the future. Siguro mga after 7 years or 10 years or so. Yeah. My name is Bedeline M. Bondoy. I'm currently 18 years old. Today is July 25, 2025. Just graduated senior high last May 2025, and I'm gonna start my first year in De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute here in Cavite. So apparently, I do not know what to expect in the future sa aking course, which is BS Nursing. Anyway, so to start, my first question to you, future Veda, is what happened during your 10 years or your siguro 7 years? Did you become a doctor? Are you a pediatrician? Or did you stay a nurse in a hospital here sa Philippines? Or siguro nag-start ka na mag-work sa abroad? If sa abroad ka man, saang country ka ba nag-work? Now, my second question is, if ever di ka man tumuloy ng medicine, can I ask why you didn't continue to medicine? Also like to know why, because I know medicine is going to be really, really tedious, really hectic on the schedule na rin. Very busy ka na rin, yeah. Next, my third question for you is, may makeup ka pa ba? Like, nag-aayos ka pa ba? Like, right now? I've heard stories na student nurses tend to, not take care of themselves anymore because of the schedule, or pati na rin yung mga med students. Yes. Narinig ako na di na sila nag-aayos, and of course, medyo nag-worry na rin ako sa part ko today because I can't live without makeup. I hope na may makeup ka pa rin kahit papaano, kahit pagod ka na or haggard. Yes. Third question is, have you been admitted to the hospital because of, stress? I just want to know if napa-admit ka sa hospital dahil sa stress or may complications ka sa body mo in the future. Like, yeah. I hope you'll be okay. Like, my fifth question is, did you pass the licensure exam in one take? Just want to know if first take lang, tapos nakapasa ka na. If so, yes. Good job. No, it's okay. Let's try harder next time. Next question. Nag-take ka na rin ba ng licensure exam sa US or UK? Nakapasa man, edi yes, very nice. Gusto ko rin makapasa sa mga ganyang licensure exam abroad para maka-work na rin ako abroad, just like what I want. I don't know kung anong question na to, pero did you go to Switzerland? One of my dreams today is to go to Switzerland, especially na nakita ko na maganda raw magtrabaho doon ng nursing. Mataas yung sahod doon for nursing. And I also wanna start living there, if pwede, if God's willing. Yun talaga yung dream ko. Kung ganon man, edi, wow! What? Nagawa mo yun? My last question is, ano ba may bigay mong message sa akin? Ako naman, yung magiging message ko sa'yo, I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're successful in life. With God, of course, with God. Nagsaserve ka pa rin sa Kanya, di mo siya pinabayaan, especially yung mga churchmates mo sa Tabaco, sa Albay, or dito na rin sa Cavite. Kasi saan ka man makarating ngayon, still, you did a great job. I know na you exerted all your effort. Alam ko na nag-breakdown ka. Yeah, I'm aware that nursing or God's willing, med school is not easy at all. Ibang klaseng hirap na daw doon. So yeah. That's all I can say. I have one more question. Saan ka mag-med school if med school ka nga? Ako, gusto ko bumalik sa BU. I wanna go back to Albay if pwede. Or pwede na rin sa Lasal, sa HSI. Maganda rin naman dun. And yeah. Take care always. And always pray to God. Wag na wag ka talaga magdepende sa sarili mo. Always pray to God kasi siya lang talaga ang provider natin. Provider mo. Provider ng lahat. Slay, girl. Okay, bye-bye.